this Friday is our, like senior prom, and I just kind of got some new shoes, and these were the only shoes with like high enough heels to I've got a really long dress, so I have to wear these shoes, and they're like one size too big.
Yeah, so just walk.
No!
You're gonna walk.
No! We've got cookie dough ice.
Yeah. Ben and Jerry's. Beautiful.
I guess it's only really like slipping away and stuff, and they're like one size too big, so.
Yeah, and we're walking from there, that blue building.
And it's costing over 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Good little.
We need to stop every time.
Yeah. Well, you don't, but.
Yay, shoes.
I hate shoes!
It's a spoon.
I like spoon, or there are 2 spoons.
Yeah, spoon. And people, but I don't know if they want to come on YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. Hi, Mickey!
It isn't Mickey Mouse.
Mickey! Vrijdag is het mijn gala. Ik moet op deze hakken leren lopen. Het gaat niet goed. Ik heb bijna een zuidje uit.
En ik maak een YouTube filmpje.
Op hoe lastig ik loop. Ik wil het niet.
Wat wil je nog?
Wiggle, wiggle.
Look at her toe.
Nose.
Not your nose.
Not my nose. I like my nose.
Well, not weird. People are staring at us.
I don't get it. They probably like my shoes.
Yep.
I hate them. Kan je opstaan? Ga weg. Kelly. Yes. Hi. Hi, Archie. What are you playing?
Pokemon Yellow.
Hey, I'm playing Wild Cross Animal or something. Oh no! I don't want to put my refrigerator in my suitcase. What now? Hoi? Wederom komen wij bij Hilde.
What the hell?
What the fuck is dingling?
Bulbasaur fainted. Pikachu.
Wow.
Yay, defeated. Back to Poké Center.